Shake it. He's like, yeah, I'll chew it open.
Nice head, Jim.
Pretty.
Gentle.
My first bling, huh?
Okay, well put it in here so you don't break it.
I bought her earrings like when she was 6 months old, hoping I could get them in as soon as possible.
Are her ears even pierced?
No.
Jenny put the axe on that one.
Oh, that's what I said. I go, her ears pierced yet?
Nope.
Are you all going to or no?
I want to. She wants to wait.
I want to wait.
What, so she can decide herself?
We're an incentive.
There you go. Pull it right here. Rip, rip.
That way they could have cute little earrings right now.
There you go. You did a little bit now, it just opened itself.
That was the end of that.
Oh, turn over the other side because you can see the...
Oh, wow. Get it out of the box.
That's cool. Thank you.
It's got like a bunch of books. I don't know how that works, but...
Cool.
I think
Hey,
you
thank
attach the
Lorraine.
book to the thing or something.
Oh, is that what? Oh.
I think so.
Do you have something like that yet?
Uh-uh. Nope.
Oh, some more paper.
Oh, a bag. She wants the bag.
Is that you guys?
Oh, yeah, that's
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, cute.
Oh,
Oh.
The shirt to match.
Yeah. Here, we'll give you the bag to play with. Oh, look at that. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got clothes now. Yeah. Look.
Shorts, shirts.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Here. There you go.
Here. You want to give that to her? Kylie, look. Look.
she's like, I have a bag. That's all I care about.
Where's the present?
Here, come in.
Can you get caught in with it?
Now you and Mommy can have tea.
That's just so weird to me. You're so big to be like, I mean, technology. It's just crazy.